An overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 22, verse 6 up to 8. Abraham put the wood on Isaac's shoulder, but he carried the hot coals and the knife. As the two of them walked along, Isaac said, "Father, we have the coals and the wood, but where is the lamb for the sacrifice?" My son answered, Abraham answered, "God will provide the lamb." The two of them walk on. So in this passage, Isaac asked his father Abraham about the sacrificial offering or the fragrant offering unto the Lord, because didn't they don't bring any sacrificial offering. Little did Isaac knew that he will be the sacrificial offering. However, Abraham reassured his son Isaac by saying that the Lord will provide the sacrificial offering. See, that's the faith of Abraham, stating the capacity of his God to provide the sacrificial offering in behalf or as a substitute for his son Isaac.